You are from Central Africa. You are from West Africa. Don't be surprised because here in Brazil you got this food.
Esse milho.
Esse milho.
Milho.
Uau. Amigo. Muito bom.
Muito bom.
Muito bom.
Olha. Direto pra lá, hein?
Muito bom. Um pouquinho de manteiga, só um pouquinho.
Bom?
Tá bom. 8.
8.
8.
Esse quente.
Eat like this.
Isso, corta.
Water.
Corta. Tira a palha, corta. Põe no prato. Ó. 8.
Okay.
Pamonha.
Amanhã.
Pamonha, esse.
Amanhã.
Pamonha.
It's Brazilian.
Isso, brasileiro.
Brazilian.
Pamonha.
Guys, this is a Brazilian food. I'm going to test it.
Esse milho.
Milo.
Esse milho.
Milo. I'm going to test this one with my brother here. And
Curau.
what?
Curau. Papa.
Where? Papa.
É papa.
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 See.
Papa.
Papa. This.
Isso, desse milho.
This.
Diz milho. Ó.
Milho. Okay.
R$1 pra você, calma lá. Beleza, meu amigo?
Look here.
9.
Novo.
Yeah.
So nine real, and then he give me R$1. He give me, pay me back.
Esse?
No, this name.
Esse?
Name.
Esse. Calma lá, vou cortar pra você.
Yeah.
Aí, ó. Agora São Paulo.
Brazilian food.
É, Brasil é foda.
Brazilian food. Look here.
Muito bom.
Muito bom.
Muito bom.
Muito bom.
Brasil bom.
Yeah.
Olha. Esse.
Brazilian. Yeah.
Olha.
Small.
Ó. Brasil.
Brasil. This.
Esse milho.
Milo.
Uau.
Amigo. Muito bom.
Muito bom.
Muito bom.
Olha. Direto pra lá, hein?
Muito bom. Um pouquinho de manteiga, só um pouquinho.
Bom?
Tá bom. Very sweet. A street food from Brazil, guys. So today, I'm eating a Brazilian food. Street Brazilian food, guys. Ronald. T-shirt.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ronald.
Brasil.
Yeah, Brazil. You see? I just get it for 30 real. 30 real is actually 90 rand here in Brazil. In Brás, né?
Brás.
Market. Brás. Marché.
Mundo das compras,
Brás.
Brás.
Oh, okay.
São Paulo.
So this is Antonio.
Brazilian.
Fala português, fala francês, fala espanhol,
Okay.
fala English.
Isso, English.
Yes. So just to show you how people are very kind in this place. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay.
I'm happy to meet you.
Okay.
Are you a Brazilian? Brazilian?
Yes.
Brazilian?
Yes, Brazilian.
Brazilian. Oh. Obrigado.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Guy, that is the vibe of Brazilian. With food, we can say that we are still in Africa. We are in Central Africa. We are in West Africa, where you can get cassava, where you can get yam, get ndole for Cameroon dishes. Observe with me on this video that the corn, the maize, is actually cooked the same way as we cook in Africa.
Guys, welcome to Sao Paulo, Brazil. Guys, this place is very green. As you can see here, it's very green. And then it's raining over here. Today is actually raining. So there's a rain everywhere. It have been raining, guys. And you know, it could not be easy for me to create content today because the rain was too much. The rain was actually too much. And then it make our environment more green. As you can see, make everything green here, guys. Make everything green. You see? See how green it is. Welcome to Brazil. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe, like and share the video, guys. Subscribe, like and share the video. Fokou Media from Brazil in Sao Paulo. From Brazil in Sao Paulo. This one here is very nice. Eh? This is the pork. Okay. Obrigado.
What?
Yeah.
What about
This one?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, also. Oui, ça c'est du ndolé. Le ndolé. Voilà. This is ndolé. This is a dish from Cameroon, but we are eating this one from Brazil, here in Sao Paulo. So, ça c'est le plantain. Le plantain. Et ça c'est la viande du porc. On a du riz. Et on a des lignam.
Mais ton piment n'est pas brûlé, non?
Voilà.
Un peu.
Ça c'est du plantain frites. Les fruits du plantain. D'abord.
C'est vrai, mais ça chope non trop.
Mon frère, son gros gros jusqu'à. On va couper le poisson comment?
Je viens vous couper
Même
celui-ci.
si tu peux couper. Non, il peut finir l'autre là, c'est pas grave.
Non, le problème c'est pour couper parce qu'il n'est pas manger ça comme ça.
Table.